let's get to making this pumpkin man. And the balloon I am actually using today is the Sempertex 18-inch stuffing balloon. And I've already stretched the neck, and then I just roll it a few times. To me, it just helps it stay on here better. And I have a keepsake stuffer, so that is what I use. It has a foot pedal here. That wasn't great. So, got a nice little tie seal here, and I actually have the keepsake. It comes with a plastic insert here for you to stuff, but I'm just using this one today. So, use that. Then I just kind of take a few sheets of tissue paper and stuff in there. The bottom of that balloon, spread it out a little bit. And then I found these great little novelty bags, little croak sacks, I guess. And I'm just going to stick some little treats in here. So at my local Dollar Tree, I found these little Halloween puzzles months ago, but I knew I was going to use them, so I'm going to stick those in there. Little Halloween Cheeto Puffs that they have. Found these cute little monster gummies. Also gonna throw my own business card in there. Little Rice Krispie treat. Of course, Halloween sucker. And you can get a huge pack of these, just so you know, at Sam's Club. I forgot how much, I think like 10 bucks. And then we have some little popping candies and Skittles and more little treats. We'll just call that right there good enough for the dog. And I'm just going to stick that right on in there. Just like that. Then I'm going to start adding my little balloons here. Push it back up there. And these are already inflated. Now just move them around a little bit. And then something else I found was these cute little Peeps pumpkins. And I said I just have to have them in this balloon. So I did find those, and we're just gonna stick it in there. Then I have this cute little candy corn pumpkin wand or something. And we are just gonna stick that in. Well, I thought we were gonna stick that in there. Stick that in there like that. Then I bought these cute little strobe lights. I don't know if you can tell that very well. Try to do my hand like that. And it's gonna go right in there in the front. Kind of cool, kind of creepy. And I use balloon clips just so you know to tie mine off. Twist that, release the suction on there. And then I just let a little bit of this air out. Clip it on there like that. And next, we are going to make the neck of the pumpkin man. And this is just a cut up half, $2.60. Let's put that on there. Then I already have these, and I believe these were 5-inch. And you just twist those together like that, make your little quad, and then I just kind of wrap them on there however I want it to go. Then I found these cute little pumpkin faces here, and I believe I ordered these from Bargain Balloons. I believe that's who I ordered these from, either Bargain Balloons or Balloon Fest, but I'm pretty sure it was Bargain Balloons. And I actually got a great deal on these. When I ordered these like during Valentine's maybe or something like that, and I have these and some more that I literally paid like, I think, gosh, 50 cents maybe or something, if that. Oh, sorry guys, hold on. Look, my oh. And then I just take another little piece of $2.60, just a little hair piece, and I'm gonna take that and I just put it on that tail and I just roll it up. That's all you do. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. I tie it in a knot. Well, I attempt to tie it in a knot. We tie them all around like that. And we just move them all around. And I just do this a few times. However many times you'll be able to tell and feel how secure it feels for you. And now we are going to make him some cute little arms. And if you're wondering, this is a Qualatex balloon pump. Like that, you'll be able to see. And I release some of the air just to soften it up and make it more manageable. Sorry, I try not to make those squishy balloon sounds. And I'm just letting some of the air at the tip of this one. And so when I tie these together, I'm not going to tie them extremely tight because I want them to have enough room to kind of just stretch while they're on here. So I give it just a little bit of wiggle room. You can see that, see? Just cut these balloon tails off, what I call them. And you just basically slide that under there, and you can do whatever you want with them. And you let go ahead on them. Take that one down like that. I think that's how I'll do it. Macho man. Macho pumpkin man, I guess. Sorry. Then we are going to give him a base. And not that big of one, just a little bit round. Sit him up there. Well, my peeps kind of fell. Normally I would have put glue dot on there and glued that back, but that's your little pumpkin man. And so now you have a gift that you can give to a loved one, and just in time for Halloween. So thank you for joining me here.